Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick reminder before we get started, please like, subscribe, and share with someone you think might enjoy our content. Looks like today we're doing number 294. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 6, and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 7, 6, 7. And that means that our 1 has to be here. For this row now, looks like we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here. So 7, 8. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 9. We've got a 1 and 2 here. So this is our 9. 2 here. So this is our 1, 2. For this row now, we're missing a 3. For this row, we're missing 7, 8, and 9, and I don't see any help. So 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9. For this row, we're missing a 1, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 here. So 1, 8, a 1 here, so 8, 9, 1 and 8 here. So that makes this our 9, which makes this our 8 and 1. And we can get rid of this 8 here now. For this column, we're only missing 6. For this box now, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. We've got a 3 covering both of these boxes, so our 3 has to be here. I don't see any other help. So 7, 9, 7, 9. For this column, we're missing 2 and 7, and I don't see any help. So 2, 7, 2, 7. For this column, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here. So 2, 6. For this box now, we're missing 5, 6, and 8. We've got a 6 and 8 here. So this is our 5. Don't see any other help. So 6, 8, 6, 8. For this row up, we've got our 2 there now. So that makes this our 7, 2. So for this box, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here. So 1, 4. For this row now, we're missing a 9. We can get rid of this 9 here. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 7. No help here. 1, 3, 7. And a 1 here, so 3, 7. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 3, 7, and 8. We've got a 3 in here, an 8, sorry, so this is our 1, 7. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 7, 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 6, 7, 8. We've got no help here. 1, 6, 7, 8. We've got a 6 and 8 here. So 1, 7. For this box, we're missing 1, 4, 7, 8, and 9. We've got a 1 here, 4 here, so 7, 8, 9. That 1 and an 8 here, so 4, 7, 9. We've got a 1 and 4 here, so 7, 8, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 6, 7, 8, and 9. No help here. 1, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6 and 8 here. So 1, 7, 9. 1 and 6 here. So 7, 8, 9. So if I look at this column, the only place the 6 can be is here. So then we can get rid of this 6. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. We've got 2, 3, and 5 here. So 7, 9. 3 and 5 here. So 2, 7, 9. 2 here. So 3, 7, 9. So if we look, this is the only place our 2 can be. That doesn't really help us out much. We're missing a 5 in this column, but I don't have it penciled in anywhere. It can't be there because of that 5, 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 so it's got to be here. And then if we look, the only place the 3 can be is here. So we can get rid of this 3 here. If we look at this row, the only place the 4 can be is here. And the only place the 9 can be is here. So we can get rid of that 9, but that 9 makes this our 7. Which makes this our 8, 3, 1. 7 makes this our 9, 7. 7 and 8 makes this our 9. This 1 makes this our 7. We've got 7 and 9 here now, so this is our 8. That makes this our 1. That 8 makes this our 6, 8. That 6 makes this our 7, 6. We've got 8 and 9 here now, so that makes this our 7, 1, 7. And then that 7 makes this our 8 and 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. It was getting a little bit messy there for a minute. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a very good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.